Guys, today we are study about the taxonomical aids by the J. Soros hashtag Mr. Cool Sir. So taxonomic ads are which ads means advertisement. The taxonomical means the ads of the organism in a taxonomical category. So there are various taxonomical aids in our in our first taxonomical aids is the herbarium, second is the botanical garden, and third is the zoological park, museum, key, flora, manuals, and monograph, and the last is the catalog. These all are the taxonomical aids. Now we study the one by one each topic. So the first it is taxonomical aid is a herbarium. The first is the herbarium. In herbarium, the herbarium is the related with the dried plants, in which the dried plant are stored on a seeds on a seeds when in a house. The dried plants are preserved, pressed, and are arranged according to its universal accepted classification. And during the seed of when we store the dried plants on the seed, we first write the names on the date on which date it is collected, and the place of the collection where from where we collect oh, this example. And now and local and botanical name also we write on the seeds, local and botanical name of the plants and family. And the most important thing is that we write also the collector's name who collects it on this set. And these are examples such as look at this, these all are examples of dried plants, dried herbarium. Now next we study about the botanical garden. Botanical garden means which related with the plants, we in which live plants are a leaf just like a gardens. These are a specialized botanical garden is a specialized garden having a collection of living plants for reference and identification. And when why it is why botanical garden is required for the we know the all data about the plant, how the plant are seen, what they do, and these all categories are consistent of botanical garden. Each plant is labeled with in botanical garden, each plant is labeled with the name and a family name, family. These are examples of, and just in our there are many botanical famous botanical garden is there. First is the Royal Botanical Garden which is located in the England. And second is the Indian Botanical Garden Howrah, which is located in West Bengal. And the National Botanical Garden, Botanical Research Institute, which is located in India and in Lucknow. And these are a botanical gardens. Now next is the biological museum. Biological museum means with there is a animal, plants are there. It is a collection. Biological museum is a collection of preserved plants and animals for study and reference or identification. In which there are various types of plants are there, and animals which is a preserved. And the museum, the biological museum contains various things such as first it species name specimen preserved in a preservative solution. When we kept the specimen just like animals with or plants which is kept in a preservative solution in a container or a jar, so container or a jars. Next is the with the dried specimens of the plants and animals. We also require a dried specimen of plant and animals. Next, insect, when we want to store the insects are preserved in an insect box after collecting and killing and pinning. After collecting the insect are preserved in a killing or by pinning on the box. or charge. And also stuffed larger animals are larger animals like birds and mammals stuffed. And now collection of a skeleton, we also require a collection of a skeleton of the animals. These all are need. And next we study the zoological park. Zoological parks means there is a zoological, all animals, living animals are there. And why this is required for identification, we name that. And these are the places where lived animals, live animals, wild animals are kept in protected under the human care. It helps to learn about the food or habits of the animals, and also what is how they behave, how they, and also we studied the behavior of each and one animals. Now key, during the animals are having a code or a key, it is an analytical method of identification of the organism based on similarity and dissimilarity. And key is the when we say they having a two couplet, and we say the option one choice it, and this is a key by the similarity and dissimilarity, we say yes or a no in this way. So it is based on the contrasting character generally in a pair called couplet. The contrasting character are in a couplet, so it is a pair in a, so it is called a couplet. And this each couplet has two opposite option. Of these only relevant option is accepted, relevant option, and the other is rejected. Just like in the diagram, there is a dry skin, no or a s is given. Dry skin, so the animal salamander has dry skin, so we say yes, or it has no dry skin, then we say no. There is a yes or no, this is are a two opposite option, that is called couplet. Now in the relevant option which is required for yes, then we accepted, and the option which is not required, then we reject. And each statement in the key is called lead. Each statement in the key is called lead. Now there is examples of the key is branching type and bracket type. These are all examples of key. Now flora means flower, which is a actual account of habitat and distribution of plant species of a given area in which we study all details of the plants of consist in that have. Now manuals of which are collecting all the data, record the contains information for identification of names and species found in the area. All the data are collected in the manuals. Now monograph is also which records the all. These are the records that contains information on any one taxon. If we want to manuals, so we of any animals, so we information of the any one taxon we kept it. Now catalog is having all the info arranged in the alphabetical of order list of species. If you want any information of any organism, which is then we arranged in a catalog order, so we just like a mono homo sapiens, we want, so h is the catalog, we arranged it. That is the now in this lecture we study of all the taxonomical ads. So guys, I hope you are liking my video, and also share. And this is my this is a taxonomical aids in biological. So thank you for watching this video, and like and subscribe and comments also. If you have any doubts, or then comment on a comment box.